This video will explain how to use a soldering tool to solder leads and wires. The equipment used will include safety glasses, the soldering station, solder iron and stand, sponge, and solder. The first step is to put on the safety glasses. Next, turn the heat up to 180 degrees Celsius or 360 degrees Fahrenheit. Take some solder from the solder spool to have on hand. Once the soldering iron is heated up, grab the soldering iron as seen. Make sure not to touch the heated part. To apply solder, carefully touch the solder to the wire you want to apply solder to. If you are having issues melting the solder, increase the temperature in small increments. Move the soldering iron to the other side of the wire to melt the solder around the entire area. If you make any mistakes, grab the solder sucker. To use the solder sucker, heat up the solder you want to remove and place the solder sucker directly onto the spot. Push the button to release the pin and suck the solder out. Repeat as necessary. To solder a cable, strip the plastic tubing away to expose the cable. Twist the exposed wire to create a braid. Repeat for the second cable you are looking to connect. With both cables stripped and braided, twist the exposed cables to each other as shown. Add solder to the cable and gently smooth over the cable. Be sure to clean the soldering iron with a sponge as needed. Continue adding solder till the connection is secure. Take heat shrink wrap and place it over the exposed wire. Be sure that the shrink wrap covers the entire exposed wire. Using a heat gun, warm up the shrink wrap until it is tightly in place. And that is how you solder leads and wires.